So guys, if you watch stock videos on YouTube, I'm guessing that you do, be as you are here, everybody is talking about this pretty much $10 stock. I cannot blame them at all. It's called Nndm. We have covered it before on the channel, but we're doing it again because this one really does have some great potential to explode into the future. Obviously, we're going to be covering all of the reasons why, or at least a few of the reasons why, in this quick update video, and why you may want to buy it, and then of course my personal opinions on what growth figures we may see into the next year, and I personally do believe this one could even go up to 10 times higher in price. So if it does sound like a good video, please do leave a like and subscribe. You guys know that we're trying to grow the channel as fast as we possibly can. Of course, if you want to come and talk about stocks on Discord, you absolutely can. The link will be down in the description. And on top of that, I am not a financial advisor, and this is all just my opinion. Of course, like I said, if you want to become a channel member, you can do so by pressing the join button. It will be down below. And yeah, let's just not waste any more time and jump straight into the video. When we have a quick look at our screens right here, we can see Nndm stock is about $10. It's $9.10. We're going to look at it on the 5-day chart, and we can see that it is actually up this week. It's actually slightly down, only due to the fact this was up ever so slightly on the previous day of the week, but we can see the stock is overall doing well on the past week. You know, look at this one from the 28th of December, counting out that small decrease, we can see that the stock is up 13% in 1 week. The 1 month chart tells a better story with growth over the past month of 20%. If we're looking from the 16th of December, which was a low point of the month, we are seeing even better growth at 50%. So, you know, really big figures. Obviously, looking at this one out over the past 6 months, which is when we started to see volatility on this stock, we are looking at what? From this low point here of $1.55, we are up 487%. Do I even need to say any more? And here's the thing, guys, you know what, usually when we are looking at these stocks which cost, you know, $1 at the start of the year and $10 at the end, we usually say that these stocks are overvalued and the stock is going to come down soon. My personal opinion on this one is it may not even come down soon. I do believe it may even shoot higher. And of course, the reason why I do think this one is because usually when we are seeing these companies increase, it's generally speaking for no reason. Now, Nndm does have a few decent reasons, and we're going to be talking about those just now. So the first reason is the fact that the company is raising an absolute ton of money. And of course, that is going to help them for future growth. The money is to expand the business. I think it is showing strength in the company. And of course, you know, with that increase in revenue and money as well, I think we are definitely going into 2021 in a good standing for the company to help expand. Another great factor, which I'm sure you guys have heard all too much in previous channels and different videos from other channels and whatnot, Cathy Wood and ARK Invest have been purchasing this stock, and of course once they do that, once that particular organisation goes in on a stock, people generally see that as a great, you know, stock to buy, and people see that stock as a perfect opportunity to make some money. A lot more people have been getting in since they did that, since they announced that, and I think it's not a bad thing at all. I think she had a very good move purchasing this stock, and I'm sure you guys know she's a very good investor, and her fund, generally speaking, makes some very decent returns. So honestly, I think that's a very good contributing factor to this company. I think it is going to help them to grow if ARK Invest keep being bullish on this one, keep buying more, and honestly I think that they might even keep doing that. So another reason is the fact that the company has actually been seeing growth. So of course, if we had a quick look on this article on the motleyfool.com, they are talking about the fact this company is seeing some decent growth. So basically it is saying that they actually completed their direct offering, which you guys will remember from the last video. I think that is good. That also allowed them to, you know, hopefully raise more cash. A few other things is the fact that this industry, the semiconductor industry, and also Nndm's 3D printing abilities and technologies are helping the manufacturing of chips for electronics and also the components for electronics. So it kind of does make sense this company is growing. They're basically expanding their position in the market. They're becoming a bit more prominent. I think that is going to help them to grow in the future. It does make sense, you know, if the company is definitely increasing its you know, actual revenue from it and income, I think it is going to help them in the future because it does show that the company is expanding for a reason. And of course, like they say over here, with a market cap of 1.6 billion, things are looking very good for this company. So does it have potential to 10x in the next year? In my personal opinion, I don't think it is impossible at all. I think it is definitely possible that it could do that. I think at minimum, we are going to see this one hit $20 next year. So in my personal opinion, we're looking at 100% returns, on the stock. I think that's a very decent return to expect. Honestly, that's my personal low estimate. For a high estimate, if we were going to go into that one, it'd be in the hundreds of percents. I definitely think this one does have some real potential, but I am not a financial advisor, and this is just my opinion. So I hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.